collecting blueberries. There's a lot of blueberries in the Swedish forest, and we are going to do some stuff out of it at home. So we are collecting to make one pie at home and some drinks outdoors. And we are also collecting the leaves, because the leaves are healthy. I'm going to write a text about why they are healthy, but we hang them upside down so they can dry under the winter, and we can use it later on in winter to be healthy. But of course you can break it down in a mortar with a stone, rub it and use it already. But it's not something necessary when you have blueberries out in the forest. So we are doing like this, and then we take a little rope and rub it around like this. You can also dry it in the oven in 50 degrees, but we think it's much nicer having them upside down in our home like this. Small green peas. So that's what we are collecting today. And I think we are going to make some blueberry tea with this. So you have to follow me. And then we are going indoors. I have taken with me some hot water. And well, often this takes time. And I'm not that fancy of myself, so I do it like this. I crush, I put it down in, like that. Really nice color, don't you think so? And then you take the hot water and you pour it in. Just like that. And then we take, just for the look of it, we're putting down one of these. There. And then you let it stand there for about 30 minutes and you have some really good cold drink. If you want to drink it directly, you can do that too, but it's really good when it's hot outside, letting it stand like this. And it's full of energy, vitamins, and you can also go and paint. The children can make on papers, hands all over. It's really nice. Now we are going to take some more blueberries. So now we are done for the day, and I'm going to have myself a drink. Have a lovely day, everyone.